Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oscal C20 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. Then select whatever you want to in the pop-up and tap on your device's displays. Now hit Send at the bottom left corner of C20 Pro and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Oscal C20 Pro, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Sorry, misclick. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!